Hi, we meet again in this conference presentation, and I would like to present. Oh, by the way, my name is Bachtiar Simamora, and we'd like to present our paper. Let me just getting it out. Okay, paper title: Using Economic Order Quantity (EOQ) model to minimize cost at PT Askon Jaya Perkasa in Indonesia. This is a family-owned company and traditionally managed. So we'd like to do some analysis, research on this. How do we optimize their managing demand and inventory so that it will get minimized cost for them in the future? Okay, the background, growth of mobile demand 2013-2015, quite significant. There is a growth in there. And we can look at it, however, and the blue one is the sales, and the red one is the cost, and the yellow, it's profit. As you can see in here, the sales, it's increasing, and the cost increasing more than sales, but the problem is the profit is decreasing. So that is problem identification that we have. We can further to explain this significant cost increase. Labor, as you can see, keep increasing in this quite a lot. And also inventory raw material cost is increasing, cost of raw material, purchasing the material itself, all increasing. So meaning that all costs increasing, however, the profit it's decreasing. That's not good for the company. And if we can see 2014, 2017, demand and inventory, meaning at the end, the periods, they both increasing. However, the end inventory is, the growth of increasing is a lot higher than the demand. So meaning there is a build-up in the inventory, both in raw material and finishing goods. And this is how we explain it. Many inventory sometimes becomes wasted because it's over their lifetime sometimes and wear out by time. So the questions that we need to solve is that to answer, how do we get forecast demand for the product that we will be selling so that we don't have too many inventory that will be wasted? And using economic order quantity, what will be the frequency number of orders placed per year, the time between order and reorder point, and of course, what is the quantity, the optimal quantity of the ordering, both raw material and the finishing goods that we need to provide. And we will compare what will be the difference using this economic order quantity model and the traditional currently used by the company. So those questions will be answered using simple model, but quite powerful. First, we need to solve to find out the best forecast demand So we use several forecasting model, which is naive methods, moving average, weighted moving average, linear regression, exponential smoothing with trends. And it happened to be the linear regression is the best, that will give us 126.2 units per year, and with the MAD and MSC is the minimum, as well as MAPA, sorry. So we select this one using linear regression, and sometimes could be the other methods, but then you never know until you plug in the data. And using the economic or quantity model that result in the total cost, comparing with traditional as follows in this table. Suppose they're using E of Q in 2014, they will have saving 10,929,371. Continue on respectively on 2015, 16, and 17. And as we can see in 2017, using E of Q model, 37,772,005 rupiahs. And their traditional model currently used, it's 74 million, almost doubling. So the saving could be 36 million 353,444 rupiahs per year. Quite a lot comparing to the size of the business in here. Okay, so we conclude that using this E of Q model will save as much 33,979,80 rupiahs per year, with the raw material order needed 126.2 square cubic, and the current method need not to be used or discarded, replaced with economic or quantity model that will be allowed to use as long as you get information and the data available, provided you understand the model. The recommendation: taking a good management of your data, both demand and costs associated with the holding and ordering cost. Then you use the simple calculation, demand forecasts, and you select the best forecast using several methods. And that demand forecast, you will be using it to economic or quantity model, very simple. Then you find the optimal ordering size and how many times you order per year, and the total cost will be the optimal for the company. And that will be the end of the presentation. Thank you for your attention and appreciate.